I will give you the code link in the description so you can get access to it. For downloading the Adafruit Motor Shield library, you have to go to the Arduino's original website and download the latest one. I will give you the link of the website in the description. After downloading, go to Sketch in the Arduino IDE, then to Include Library, then to Add.zip library, where you have to add the downloaded file. After adding it, the code will be ready for uploading. For downloading the app, go to the Play Store and search for the Arduino Bluetooth control. There you will get this app. Download it. For controlling the car, we will use this gamepad. After downloading the app, open the app, enable the Bluetooth. Now select on HC-05 and then on gamepad. It will get connected to the car easily.